Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. We're diving into everything, from the sleek design to the upgraded features. Let's peel these stickers off. Oh, that's always so satisfying. Now, let's lift the box. Wow! Here is brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Look at that. The natural titanium finish is gorgeous. It feels premium. Wow, that titanium finish really stands out, so sleek and premium. Let's feel the weight. It's lighter than I expected, but still feels solid in the hand. The edges are smooth, and that display looks amazing even before it's turned on, and the weight is only 221 grams. Design. The iPhone 15 Pro Max feels incredibly premium in hand, thanks to its sleek titanium frame and refined design. Ports and buttons. We have USB-C speaker microphone alongside volume button. And the new customizable action button adds a level of personalization. On hand side we have power on off, and another side we have SIM card slot. Display. We have 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with the innovative dynamic island. Very thin bezels, and it comes a high refresh rate display with 120 Hz. And a peak brightness up to 2000 nits. A ceramic shield front cover and back is made of a textured matte glass. Specification. It is powered by the A17 Pro chip, most advanced processor. Performance. See Geekbench numbers, and we also played some games like PUBG COD. We got immersive and detailed gaming experiences. It supports ray tracing, a cutting-edge graphics technology that simulates realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections in real time. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, and it offers multiple options of storage. See on screen. Battery. It comes with a 4422 mAh battery. Camera. It comes with 48MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide, and 12MP telephoto lens with 5x and 12MP selfie camera, and some photos which are clicked. The main camera captures stunningly detailed photos with excellent color accuracy and dynamic range with 25x zoom. The 5x optical zoom on the telephoto lens also ensures sharp, detailed close-ups from a distance. You can capture 4K video at 60 frames per second. This new action button can be programmed to perform a variety of functions based on your preferences, like recoding audio, turning on flashlight. In connectivity it comes with 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, NFC etc. Multimedia. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features incredibly thin bezels, giving it a more modern and immersive look. These slimmer bezels maximize the screen-to-body ratio, making the display feel larger and more edge-to-edge without increasing the overall size of the phone. Let's compare to older phones. It's really less. It comes with 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with stereo speakers, delivering rich, balanced sound.